Hello guys, I am Shazad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number 24. Today we are going to add the payment gateway, which is a PayPal. So how can you add the PayPal option in your store? So first of all, go to your product and you have added one iPhone 6s Plus, this product, in your cart. So proceed to checkout. So now as you can see, you have only one option, cash on delivery. Why it's showing cash on delivery? So go to your WooCommerce settings and your payment. So as you can see, you have your cash on delivery. By default it's activated. So what you need, you just need to activate the PayPal options. So how can you do that? First of all, setup. You have some, before adding your PayPal account, what you need, just need to add the live API username, live API password and live API signature. So how can you do that? So you have your PayPal standard, you have PayPal sandbox. So what is sandbox? You can check the PayPal, either it's working or not. So copy this sandbox PayPal. So go to your PayPal. So this is the sandbox, it's for developers. Log in with your sandbox and you can test. So don't worry, we will do that in our next lectures. So go to your PayPal, log in with your account, provide your email and password. So go to your tools, my tools, API credentials, and find your API integration classic options. You or your developer integrate MVP, SOAP or classic API that allows you to accept payment via PayPal. Okay, so manage API. I have already created the API. So as you can see, I have username, password and signatures. So I'm not going to show these my credentials. So done, or remove this one and you can create from the scratch. Once you create the username, password and signature, then just click on the show button and copy that content from username, and you have to put this username here. For suppose this username, API username here, and your password goes here, and your signature. So as you can see, you have optional signature is optional, but you can also add your signature while activating or while enabling your payment option, which is the PayPal. So in this way you can add the PayPal options. So I'm copying, so I have added, and this is my API password and this is my signature. So I have added, refresh. So now go to your checkout page, refresh the page. So as you can see, okay, so activate your PayPal options, save. Now go to your page, refresh the page. So as you can see, now you have your PayPal options. Hit the PayPal options and proceed to checkout. For suppose okay, billing phone is required. Where is the phone? Here is the phone. Okay, so proceed to checkout. So now as you can see, it's redirecting from your site to PayPal account, so your client can insert or add the PayPal. So as you can see, it's saying 402 US dollar or cancel the order, return to Shakespeare. Okay, so now so as you can see, I have just cancelled the order. So in this way you can add the PayPal payment gateway in your shop. So I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.